everyone, welcome to Aroma's Kitchen. So I'm super excited to share with you a very traditional chicken curry, and it's simple. It looks very difficult. Believe me, it's really simple and it's yummy and it's so good. You can eat with rice, you will enjoy it. So I got the one chicken breast, and I cut it into a small pieces. So you can see, and you can keep the way you want it, but like the small pieces is better because it is observe all the spices and everything. Chicken breast doesn't have that much flavor. So I got the one chicken breast and cut it into a small pieces. I have a garlic paste, 1 tablespoon. So 1 tablespoon, and these are from my gardens, the tomatoes. So I got basically organic 4 tomatoes, 1 green chili, always options. You want it spicy or you don't want it, that's your choice. And 1 piece of not too big, not too small, a medium size of ginger. Always remember, I used mostly fresh ingredients, so it's a fresh ginger. So the spices: black pepper, 1 teaspoon. Cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon, garam masala, 1 teaspoon, coriander powder, 1 teaspoon, salt, 1.5 teaspoon, and the turmeric powder is 1 teaspoon. So we got everything here, and we just need 3 simple steps to follow and make the yummy chicken curry. Okay, so I got the half onion. We don't really need too much onions on the chicken curry, so half onion, and I'm going to blend everything together. So half onion, 4 tomatoes from my own garden, organic, really yummy. So 4 tomatoes, 1 piece of ginger, 1 chili, always options. If you don't want spicy, you don't have to. And the garlic paste is already paste, so I'm going to use this. So this is everything in there. So onion, tomatoes, ginger, and green chili, and I'm going to blend it and I'll show you. Okay, so I blend everything: onions, green pepper, and tomatoes, ginger. Everything is blended together, and now we have the nice thick paste. So I'm going to start the step 1 and step 2 and step 3. So this is ready, and I just need a pan, and I will show you how we can start to make the chicken curry. Okay, so I got the pan, the medium sized pan. The heat is on, so it's like a medium heat, and 2 tablespoons of oil. And let it warm for a little bit, because I'm going to add the cumin seeds in it, so I have to just wait for a minute. Okay, so the first thing is always to add this and let it a little bit cook together, because this is very simple, my mom's recipe, and my mom is always add everything together and let the chicken cook. So not too much water, but let the chicken cook, and then after we just made a little bit curry, that's all. So you can see how it starts cooking, getting like a roasted brown. So I'm going to add some salt, and now I'm going to add the chicken in it. So basically everything goes together. So chicken and all the spices: garam masala, turmeric powder, coriander powder, black pepper, and garlic paste. This is the onions, green chili, tomatoes, and ginger is grind everything together. So we got the paste. I'm going to add this. So a little bit water I'm going to add in this one. I want it to get everything, the good stuff. So I add everything in it. And I'm going to use the rest of the water, a little bit water in it. Not the whole thing, just maybe a 2 tablespoons. Cover this pan and come back after 5 to 6 minutes. Okay, so it's been 10 minutes, so I'm going to take the lid off and see. So you can have a close look and see the chicken curry is ready. So basically the oil is coming, so that means the chicken is it's cooked really good. You can see how tender is that chicken is. So I'm going to add a little bit water and let it cook for a minute, because if we're going to eat with rice, so we need a little bit curry. So and one more thing I wanted to mention, that I add the bay leaves, but most of the people don't like the flavor or they don't like it, but that's always the options. If you like it, you can add a curry leaves or a bay leaves, or if you like it. So just maybe 1 or 2 pieces will be enough. So this is ready. I'm going to let it cover the lid. Okay, so I just add a little bit water in it, and I'm letting cook for like a minute or 2 minutes. So now it's time to take the lid off and see. I show you guys that. So now the chicken curry is ready. We just need to cook the water a little bit. So it's ready, and I'm going to dish out and taste and let you guys know how it tastes. But it's an amazing dish, and it's good to eat with the rice. And if you don't like too liquidy, you don't need to add a water, but if you like it just to have like a thick sauce to eat with the rice, you can add some water in it. But let me dish out, and we can try how our chicken curry is ready. Okay, so I didn't have too much, but I'm waiting for my rice to cook, then I can eat a chicken curry with rice. So this is the chicken curry we just cooked, and you can see the chicken is how tender is the chicken. It's really good cooked. It's really good. So we add a little bit more salt, because I'm going to eat with rice, but you can reduce your salt a little bit. But it's tasty and it's really good. You can flavor every ingredients in it. The garlic, ginger, onions, green chili, tomatoes, everything tastes so amazing. Very simple recipe. Just follow 3 steps, easy, and it's always good to cook at home. It's yummy. And if you cannot, please come to Aroma. It's 715 East 12300 South, Draper, Utah, and we can cook for you. And please do subscribe my channels, because I wanted to share all my recipes, the yummy recipes with you guys, and subscribe my channels, and so you can get a new videos with the new recipes and yummy recipes, vegans, vegetarians and non-vegetarian. All those recipes I can share with you. So please do like my channels and subscribe it. Thank you so much, and I'll come back with a new recipe for you. Thank you.